In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows 10 when it gets stuck on restarting. Let's start with what this issue usually looks like. You click Restart, your screen shows the restarting message. The spinning dots keep circling, and nothing changes for a long time. Maybe you've waited 10, 20, even 30 minutes, and it still hasn't moved on. When that happens, it usually means Windows is hung up on a background task, a driver, or a pending update that isn't finishing properly. First, give it a reasonable amount of time. If Windows is installing updates, it can take a while, especially on older hardware. But if it's been stuck for more than, say, 20 to 30 minutes with no progress, it's safe to assume it's frozen and you'll need to intervene. The next step is a forced shutdown. Press and hold your computer's power button for about 10 seconds until the screen turns completely off and you no longer hear the fans or any drive activity. Wait a few seconds, then press the power button again to start your PC back up. This may feel a bit harsh, but when Windows is stuck in that restarting loop, this is often the only way to break it. Once your system boots, pay attention to how it behaves. If it starts normally, log in as you usually do. After the desktop appears, give it a minute to finish loading background apps. Then try a regular restart again. The goal is to check whether this was just a one-time hang or a repeatable problem. If it keeps getting stuck on restarting, the next thing you should try is performing a clean boot. This means disabling non-essential startup apps and services so you can see if a third-party program or driver is causing the hang. After setting up a clean boot, restart your computer. If it now restarts correctly, you'll know that something you disabled is likely the culprit, and you can re-enable items one by one until you find what breaks it. It's also a good idea to check Windows Update after you get back in. Go to your update settings and look for any pending updates or failed installs. Install everything that's available, then restart again to confirm the problem is resolved. Often, completing a stuck update is enough to stop the endless restarting issue. By following these steps patiently and testing after each change, you should be able to get past a Windows 10 system that's stuck on restarting and restore normal shutdown and restart behavior.